Monkey
Original
Sports.
Monkey Sport bars is what I
Yeah, buddy.
Nice. The first set ever. That's not staying up here. What is that?
It's new apparel. Our new apparel. I thought you told me to get new apparel.
I want to see. Feels nice. Wow. What kind of handlebars are you putting on it?
Putting on our Monkey
Original
Sports.
Monkey Sport bars is what I think, right?
Yeah, buddy.
Nice. The first set ever installed. Fantastic. Go to the sports store and buy the tennis balls, then round trip $89 before you can do them. Here, watch this. Crazy. Bring it with you when we go there. Let me grab my water. I'll see you in a second. I used to know it was going to be 15.
The tumbler is not going to move until you get all the pins in the proper position.
Jack, I did a handlebar job this weekend. It was the worst handlebar job that I've ever done in my entire life. It was a 13 road glide.
I was going to say probably a 13 and earlier bike.
I had to put heated grips on it. I could not. There was so much, and there were T-bars.
Yeah, I hate the whole bike. Especially with CEOs. Way you used to extend our wire.
Yeah. Well, and I had to fix all the previous person's wire extension job. These are 1.5-inch bars.
Rolling mess. Like it was fucking.
Or
And-
people, they just don't care.
Yeah, and this kid knew all about motorcycles. And this guy who I heard several times he had rebuilt, and tuned a flathead Plymouth back when he was 6. Everything ran like a top. Anyway, so he's over there talking to the kid. He's like, oh yeah, you just want to cut these out. And lasted about a month.
Yeah, those guys they're special guys. So much stuff in these new bikes.
You don't have anything that you say don't say anything.
I don't know what that is, Jack.
His truck's here.
Paul?
Yeah.
Darren, he
Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
So many wires in here now.
Well, something's got to ride the bike because a person on it doesn't anymore.
Yeah, it's AI.
Oh, you get too hot in a turn, need to brake. Better watch yourself. I locks it up, almost hits the car in front of me, which is in front of him, and then he keeps pinching me and not allowing me over into the lane.
Oh, you love that.
I'm like,
This guy's he gonna learn today.
Usually I give it a mile. I have to be over it in a mile. This guy got 5.
We're running this.
We cool? No.
Why'd you do that?
I didn't know that the Eagles were good. Because I don't follow football, and lost every single one.
Thinking that he can park over here.
Oh, I didn't even know there was a sign for it. Otherwise, I wouldn't have.
Yeah, there's one on hers and Paul's.
Oh, really? Come on, baby. Yeah, it takes a little bit of coaxing. Lucky there. Definitely gonna be a every year for me now.
Well, I'm gonna change the oil in that light when it gets back.
We just did Verona and Rome.
Just on. I would say where you got it. It's pretty damn good.
Try pushing them forward a little bit, see how that feels. See, I like them a little forward
Yeah.
like that. Yeah.
Probably there.
And David's there. I bet I sat there.
See what I like about these is it doesn't take away the sporty part where you're putting
Right.
V8s on and
No,
all that.
it's just a different way to get to that kind
Yeah.
of T-bar
Yeah.
look too.
Yeah.
And I like less riser, more
Me too.
bar. And these bars, one of the coolest things about those bars is that little bit of pullback they give you. I have these bars on both of my FXRs. I have them on my Road Glide. I love them. I have them on everything. I just think they're terrific. The spot when we put those white bars on this bike, we put them on the gray one we have. I was like, oh my god, they look so bad. They look weird. Yeah, so making them now, these are the old ones. Yeah. So they were just really wide. So just tighten it.
Yeah, those are those
Tab?
tabs. 50 cows.
Are they 5 inches in diameter?
Yeah.
They're monstrous.
Yeah, they are.
They're 5s. Everybody was like, 4.5 inches. They were like, God, it's so big. And we thought it looked
Yeah,
so
no,
cool.
that's
And then together that we're just waiting for
The oil and it could go home.
Good.
Tear it down.
Nice. Anything major to leave out? It looks great.
I just put it into the other slot. One slot back.
We had that in
Nice.
there all this time. I don't need to change it.
So the black looks fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we tried to do some.
Yeah, that
some
Raven
glitter,
metallic.
some pearl
You
in
could
there.
probably do Ford tuxedo black.
You could do a
and
pearl
it
in
would
there.
be- yeah, it would-
Just need this one to come just a little. This one's good. Huge difference going from the stock bars to these now. Moves your hands up, get your wrists back straight, no issues. A little taller than you would expect with the riser too, 6" to 6". Pretty nice. Super happy.
I want to see. What is it? Show me.
Open this one.
Oh, that's cool. You know, this our best-selling shirt.
Oh,
Yeah, isn't that amazing? But I've never seen it with the in two colors. It was always one color.
open it up.
Wow. Oh, I like that. I like the way the shirt feels too. What kind of shirt is this?
Toltecs.
Toltecs. Wow, it feels soft.
Yeah.
It feels nice. That's cool. Nice.
2X.
It's my size. What are the odds? They never put 2 X's on top. Oh, I like that. It's nice and long
Yeah.
too. No
No
midriff.
midriff, no belly button.
Yeah, that's cool. I like that. What else you got?